Bollywood Best Actress, Filmfare Award winner. Discover the legacy of excellence in Indian cinema as we celebrate all the incredible winners of Filmfare Award for Best Actress. Kamini Kaushal in 1956 for the movie Viraj Bahu. Nutan in 1957 for the movie Seema. Nargis in 1958 for the movie Mother India. In 1959, Vaijayanti Mala. Nutan in 1960 for the movie Sujata. In 1961, Veena Rai. In 1962, Vaijayanti Mala for the movie Gunga Jumna. Meena Kumari in 1963 for the movie Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. Nutan again in 1964 for the movie Bandini. Vaijayanti Mala in 1965 for the movie Sangam. Meena Kumari once again for the movie Kajal. In 1967, Wahida Rahman for the movie Guide. In 1968, again Nutan for the movie Milan. In 1969, Wahida Rahman. Sharmila Tagore in 1970 for the movie Aradhana. Mumtaz in 1971 for the movie Khilona. Asha Parekh in 1972 for the movie Kati Patang. Hema Malini in 1973 for Sita Aur Geeta. In 1974, Dimple Kapadia for Bobby. Jaya Bachchan in 1975 for Kora Kagaj. In 1976, Lakshmi for the movie Julie. Rekha in 1977 for Tapasya. Savannah Azmi in 1978. Nutan again in 1979. Jaya Bachchan in 1980. Rekha in 1981 for the movie Khubsurat. In 1982, Smita Patil. Padmini Kolhapure in 1983 for the movie Prem Rog. Savannah Azmi in 1984 for Earth. Again Savannah Azmi in 1985 for the movie Bhavna. Dimple Kapadia in 1986 for the movie Sagar. In 1989, Rekha for the movie Khoon Bhari Mang. 1990, Sridevi in Chalbaj. Madhuri Dixit in 1991 for the movie Dil. Sridevi again in 1992 for Lamhe. 1993, Madhuri Dixit for Beta. Juhi Chawla in 1994. Madhuri Dixit once again for the movie Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Kajal in 1996 for the movie DDLJ. Karishma Kapoor in 1997. Again Madhuri Dixit in 1998 for Dil To Pagal Hai. Kajal again in 1999 for the movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. In 2000, Aishwarya Rai. Karisma Kapoor in 2001. Kajal again in 2002. Again Aishwarya Rai in 2003. Preity Zinta in 2004. Rani Mukherjee for Hum Tum in 2005. Rani Mukherjee again for Black. In 2007, Kajal. Kareena Kapoor in 2008 for Jab We Met. In 2009, Priyanka Chopra. Vidya Balan in 2010. Kajal once again in 2011. Vidya Balan for The Dirty Picture in 2012. Again Vidya Balan for Kahani in 2013. Deepika Padukone in 2014. In 2015, Kangana Ranaut. Again Deepika Padukone in 2016 for Piku. Alia Bhatt in 2017 for Udta Punjab. Vidya Balan once again in Tumhari Sulu. Alia Bhatt in 2019.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
Again Alia Bhatt in 2020 for Gully Boy.
Carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables.
Tapasi Pannu in 2021.
Vegetables.
Here I come from the
In
west
2022,
side.
Kriti Sanon.
The left side.
Alia Bhatt in 2023 once again for the
The right
movie
brain.
Gangubai. Again Alia Bhatt in 2024.
Drives me.
Litasi Goel in 2025 for the movie Lapata Ladies. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content on Bollywood and Hollywood. See you on next video.